As dawn breaks soft with amber light, the mountain's edge begins to fight. Against the dark, the shadows flee, revealing lines, bold and free. Sharp silhouettes in quiet grace stand tall, the first light they embrace. The peaks rise up, both fierce and still, outlined against the sky's first thrill. A gentle glow touches the stone, awakening the world alone. The mountain's lines in clear relief, a timeless dance, both calm and brief. With each new ray, the world unfurls, a perfect start to all that swirls.